Every aircraft flying today depends on technology built years ago. And the innovations shaping tomorrow are already being created right here. At InterConnect Wiring, we don't just build for today, we build for what's next. The aerospace industry is evolving faster than ever. New platforms, modernization programs, upgraded avionics, and increased mission capability are pushing the limits of what aircraft systems must do. That means wiring systems must be smarter, lighter, more durable, and ready for rapid integration. Staying ahead isn't optional, it's essential. I'm joined now by our manufacturing engineer manager, Nick Martino. How's it going today, Nick?
Pretty good.
Good. So I just have a couple of questions for you. What does it look like in your world as the manufacturing engineer manager to innovate on your day-to-day basis?
So our manufacturing engineering teams, we work side by side with our customers to anticipate challenges and deliver solutions to evolving aircraft.
Excellent. And what are you most excited about for the future at InterConnect Wiring?
Well, here at InterConnect Wiring, I'm excited about expanding our footprint and working on new programs. So we get a lot of new challenges and it's pretty exciting.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Nick. I appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too.
Speed matters. That's why the newly designed 32-spool dereeler system plays a key and vital role in how we innovate here at InterConnect Wiring. Our new dereeler system allows us to quickly load spools of wire, laser mark them, validate the design, and accelerate development timelines. From spool to laser to layout in days, not weeks. As legacy fleets are modernized and next-generation aircraft continue to evolve, wiring systems play a critical role in mission readiness. InterConnect Wiring is focused on supporting both current platforms and future upgrades, ensuring reliability, scalability, and performance. Innovation doesn't happen in isolation. It happens through partnership. We work closely with customers, suppliers, and industry leaders to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of aerospace is being built today, and at InterConnect Wiring, we're proud to help shape what comes next.